Hello, this is Ecler. We are at ISE 2018 and we would like to present you one of our new products. It's called eMIMO1616. It's a digital matrix where you have 16 inputs and 16 outputs. The first 8 inputs are local inputs and the second 8 inputs come from remote controls. The 16 outputs can be mono or can be stereo by couples. Okay, you can combine both, and you can just control as well for each one of the outputs. Let's say output 10, volume control as well. You can control or select the source you like to play with. Okay, and if you do a long press, you can control as well the 3-band controls for each one of the outputs. Okay. Basically, the most important feature is that this is an IP-based product where you have the possibility to connect and to have an app that allows you to control in a very, very easy way the matrix. Okay, here you have an example of a volume control, source selection, and mid, treble, and bass tone controls. Okay, the software is called Pilot. Well, thank you very much. Hope to see you again next year at ISE. Bye-bye. Website, sorry, yes, is ecler.com.